Hello everyone, welcome to a new video and welcome to Goa, India's beach paradise. From its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters to its rich culture heritage and vibrant nightlife, there is no shortage of excitement and adventure here. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the best of what Goa has to offer. And we promise you will want to book your trip right after watching this video. Let's start with the main attraction, the beaches. Goa boasts over 50 pristine beaches, each with its own unique charm. Whether you are looking for a peaceful escape or an action-packed adventure, there's a beach for you. From the popular shores of Baga and Kalangute to the more secluded sands of Palolem and Arambol, you will find everything you are looking for. Goa is a fascinating blend of Indian and Portuguese cultures, and that's reflected in its stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant festivals. You can also visit Old Goa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the ancient cathedrals and churches. Indulge in the local cuisine, which is a mouth-watering blend of spices and flavors from around the world. And if you're lucky enough to visit during the annual Goa Carnival, you will be treated to a spectacular display of music, dance, and color. If you're looking for some excitement, Goa won't disappoint you. Take a jet ski ride, parasail over the ocean, or even try your hand at flyboarding. For a more immersive experience, go on a jungle trek, try bungee jumping, or explore the underwater world with a scuba diving excursion. And when the sun sets, get ready for some serious partying at one of the many shacks, nightclubs, or music festivals. In conclusion, Goa is a destination that truly has it all. Whether you are a beach bum, a culture lover, or an adrenaline junkie, you will find everything here. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for a trip of a lifetime in Goa. I bet you won't regret it. We are having a guiding trip on 10th June 2023. If you want to join, just let us know. We'll be happy to onboard you in a very short time.